it's me, Emma.
I'm Ava.
Today we're going to be opening Calico Critters. Today we're going to be opening the koala family
And the living room set.
We're going to start by opening
The living room set. Out of the box, there is some assembling required. I just put it together and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to give you guys a little tour. So over here we have the couches. And then we have the coffee table with the book that you get to put it together yourself. Real pages. And then we have a little cup and a tray. And then we have the carpet, which is double-sided. And then over here we have the TV stand with little cabinets that actually open. And then we have this little jewelry box, a picture frame, and then the TV with settings that you can actually change. So there's all different kinds of the settings. Here they are.
Now it's time to open the koala family. Out of the box, here's what the family looks like. This is the little girl, and she's wearing a yellow dress with a bow, and there's little lace for a collar. This is the dad. He has a little button. He has a little shirt with a button and then a collar and green pants. And then the mom, she is carrying the baby, and she has a flower dress with a white flower. And then the baby does come out of the carrier on the mom, and she is wearing a little lace tutu with a pink top. Thanks for watching.
Please click like and subscribe for more videos like this one.